The room is breathing with us, and every light bends softly when you move. Your skin glides over mine. Suddenly the whole world feels small and close. You don't speak, but every emotion tells me things you've never shared with anyone. And when your eyes meet mine, you run through me like a living spark. I don't try to fight it. You're the only path my heart remembers. You touch my soul like you know exactly where I hide my truth. You touch my soul, and every heartbeat shifts just to follow you. Stay right here, stay close to me. You're my voice when words won't come. You touch my soul. Your hands draw stories on my skin, roads I never knew existed. Every time you come closer, my heart rises like it wants to reach you first. I get lost, but it's the sweetest kind of lost, the kind that brings out the best in me. And when you brush against me, you make me feel like I'm made